Welcome to the world of Belle Wether, your trusted romantic advisor. Today, we delve into the unique and adventurous arena of couples camping. The great outdoors, a place to connect and rekindle romance. Did you know that 40% of U.S. couples enjoy camping together? It's a shared experience that fosters bonding, and we're here to guide you through it. From tents to cabins, we've got you covered. Firstly, planning is essential. Decide on the campsite that suits your comfort level, and remember, this is a team effort. Involve your partner, because two minds are better than one. Next up, equipment. Your camping gear is crucial. Create a checklist including a tent or cabin reservation, sleeping bags, food supplies, and safety kits. Double-check your list. You don't want any surprises. Speaking of food, plan your meals. Cooking together over a campfire can be magical. Pack easy-to-cook foods and don't forget those marshmallows for a sweet, romantic treat under the stars. Safety first. Pack a first aid kit and ensure you're aware of the local wildlife. Make the adventure enjoyable, but always keep safety as a priority. And finally, remember to capture the memories. Bring a camera or simply use your phone. These moments will last a lifetime, and you'll be glad you recorded them.